How to structure a song. Most of the songs I produce have a very simple structure, which worked and still does up until now. And today I'm going to share this structure with you. The formula is very simple. We begin with intro, 2 to 4 bars, then the first verse, which is usually 16 bars, the chorus, 4 to 8 bars, solo, that is the instrumental part or the lead solo, which usually goes for 4 to 8 bars. Then comes the second verse, which usually is 8 to 16 bars. Next, the bridge, 8 to 16 bars. Then the second chorus, which usually is 4 to 8 bars. Then the second solo, which usually takes about 4 to 8 bars. And finally, the outro, which is usually between 2 and 8 bars. And that is the very simple starting point that you can use in your production today. If you want to learn exactly how to produce a song from start to the mastered version, get your copy of the Music Production Masterclass and start producing. Until next time, stay cool and make great music.